got to get it documented. Yeah. Wanna say what's up? What up? I'm trying to do like a whole documentary of the whole build. Yeah.
Cool. Did you get all the pictures of underneath and everything?
I did, yeah. Yeah. It was good. It turned out really good. Those pipes look fat, huh?
It's a nice kit.
Huh?
Nice kit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to my buddy next. He's gonna do the body work and paint on it. So yeah.
You said you were gonna do like a Chevelle color.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be really neat.
Yeah. I wanted something different that's
nobody
not
else
around.
did.
Yeah.
because everyone does the green.
Yeah. So I wanted something a little bit different. Oh, nice.
So, yeah, it's all. The only seams that aren't fully welded are these up here. And that's
okay.
just because we couldn't get the pipes out after we built them.
Oh, okay.
They're mostly welded around. And then we clamped this here.
Mm-hmm.
So if you ever need to take the front half out, it will come out.
Okay.
I don't know if you'll ever get the tailpipes out, but
Yeah.
I figure you'd ever have to. And there's really no reason to take them out.
Okay.
Unless you take the rear end out, then you can get them out. We welded everything. We painted it with a zinc paint so it doesn't rust as fast.
Okay.
And then they're clamped up here, so you get them off up here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Looks really nice.
nice and solid.
Ooh, those pipes. They're fat pipes. Yeah, it looks really good under here.
You put heat shield on your stripper cable so it doesn't melt it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Fastened it up and tied up some wires so that it wasn't touching the exhaust or getting close to the exhaust.
Yeah, I kind of had them just, yeah, they're probably just laying there, huh?
Yeah.
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 It turned out nice. I wonder if is this leaking brake fluid? A little bit.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, maybe. I can't get that thing to freaking seal for nothing. I went through a couple lines. I don't know if it's that connector or.
Yeah, is it that or is it where this goes into here?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like you might have a leak over here too.
Oh yeah. We've been battling with that.
Yeah, that's. Oh, he zip tied it down out of the way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
With mufflers, it's like, oh, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Yeah. Anyway, Tish was in here let's just do it. None like this. But Tish was like, no, too loud.
Yeah, he was like, it sounds like a race car.
Mm-hmm, it does.
And then he was like, it's really loud.
That's why I asked you if inside is going to be,
Oh.
because it's loud.
Yeah, it'll probably still be loud, but
I'm sure it will, but after you get everything in it, it might not be as loud.
yeah.
At least inside, yeah.
I don't know.
Like with your cutouts with the crease.
Oh yeah. Maybe not. It won't be like that.
Well,
Oh,
then
I don't
then
think.
that's all
Maybe not. I don't know. It's hard to say until we hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
We'll see.
Uh-oh.
We'll see.
Uh-oh. he's cruising. Sounds good. Yeah. Seems a little smoky.
Yeah, well, I'm sure they coated the pipes with something to keep them from rusting while they've been being shipped.
Yeah.
We really haven't ran it that much.
Uh-huh.
That's probably the longest it's been ran since we finished it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man.
Sounds awesome.
I know.
Good job.
Yeah, I was trying. That's like the exact sound I was like trying to get after. Like I didn't want it to sound like just. It's a Chevelle, so I wanted it to sound like.
It's a little crackly inside the car, but I think that'll go away when you have all the interior and carpet and all of that in it.
Yeah. Well, and then no windows.
Yeah.
So
But it's just the metal.
Oh, got it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still not done, like, matting the whole inside and all that. So I'm gonna do that too when I get the car back and all that. Yeah. Cool.